So this is a home in Durbanville that we won the tender to do the complete waterproofing from the walls that were leaking, the windows, the patio, underneath the sliding doors, the tiling of the patios, redoing the waterproofing underneath this big flat roof up there as well, just to show you the solution that we came up with for the flat roof specifically is EPDM Firestone rubber guard. We find it a real godsend for the industry, because what was on here was 1 meter wide membranes that were seamed, so you can imagine how many seams there were. It was a bituminous torch-on solution that was on here, and it's been failing over the last couple of years, and they've had waterproofers here over and over. And our solution is to try and cover this with a rubber membrane that has minimalistic seams, so there's hardly any seams on this roof. And just to show you a little bit of the detail, what makes us different, we've got termination bars running all around this roof, so aluminium termination bars running all the way around the roof, securing it down. We've got wherever there is a seam or an outlet, we use a solution it's called Form Flash, Firestone Form Flash, that we patch all the areas. Yeah, just to show you again, wherever there are corners. And incidentally, we painted this as well. We've waterproofed the windows, so we've had to chop out underneath, put membrane underneath the windows as well. That was a massive issue. All the windows were, or most of the windows were leaking, so we had to identify the ones that were critical. We did the pool as well. Let me just show you that. So that pool had critical failures as well, and it needed to be redone. We fiberglassed it, and we just can't wait to throw some water in there, and we can't wait to hand this house back to the client in a much better condition than it ever was. This is WaterproofLab signing off.